Full HD camera. There's Eric, and
tyranny and fear. They call themselves the Decepticons. And those of us who chose to resist them became known as the Autobots.
Autobots must destroy. I'm a Megatron. I'm with the Decepticons. Oh, push the buttons. Yeah, I pushed the button. I was scared something was gonna go off if I pushed it. Alarm setting off. Alright, this is the old Spock. Pretty badass. Not too bad, not too shabby.
The entire mess unit operating in tactical coordination will prevail. You would do well to remember that.
It's a pretty long queue, I'm not gonna lie. Primarily want to show you the way because it's well themed. Now it's time to push some buttons again.
All defensive assets should be focused to secure the Allspark. Initiate
push buttons.
incursion protocol. Bravo.
Pushing buttons again. Twist the knobs, twist the knobs.
Believes you can help him protect the Allspark.
I'm liking this right already.
So the fate of the Earth is in your hands.
And then we just go down this ramp.
Allspark to safety. Optimus out.
Optimus out. Buttons. These buttons don't actually do anything. At least I don't think they do. Oh, okay. Eric touched the button and it lit up, so I'm assuming that he broke the ride. We'll know if he broke the ride right now.
Ensure that each child has their own seat on board evac.
So basically, the premise is that we're riding this little Autobot called evac, and the little cart that we're in is called evac. He's an Autobot, and we're sent here to protect the Allspark. All right, we'll get you guys back. We're gonna go on the ride a bit. All right, later. Peace.